Using our range of accessories together with our wall panels will allow for a quicker, trouble-free installation, while ensuring the perfect finish is achieved every time. So what's available? With high tensile strength, Fibo adhesive is specifically designed for adhering the back of wall panels to the wall. To seal the joins and all the exposed edges, you can then choose Fibo Seal in white or grey, depending on your project requirements, to create a robust, watertight seal with no grout necessary. Both of these products come in a 290ml tube. After you've applied the sealant, use the Fibo Clean Special Cleaning Spray in conjunction with the Fibo Sealing Tool to even and remove excess unhardened sealant from the surface, before wiping down with the multi-purpose Fibo wipes to finish the job.